So here we have the Mini Countryman on a 65 plate. So I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with black alloy wheels and tinted windows. I'm going to start off inside the boot area of it first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space along with the 3 individually folding rear seats, and this tray section which can lift and remove and gives you even more space again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer, the total miles of the car, which is 57,462. You can change information displayed in that section by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk. You can also see, just on the right-hand side of those numbers I was changing, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control, phone and stereo controls, and into the center the main screen for the car. So first of all, the movement you can see me making on the screen is being done using this dial just here. You can push that dial down to enter the menus as well. So for example, if you want to pair your phone, push the dial down, you're then in the phone menu. We can come back out, we can rotate the dial, push it down to enter the navigation menu. You can use the dial to zoom in and out of the map. You can jog the dial to the left hand side to access the actual controls for your satellite navigation as well. Obviously that's where you pair your phone. As I mentioned, we have the radio, and if we jog it over to the left, you'll see FM, AM and DAB radio all available. To listen to your own music, you go in under the multimedia heading. We have USB input, Bluetooth audio, auxiliary input, and also a CD player as well. The last thing I'll show you on here is the vehicle status page just here. And it shows you that the servicing is completely up to date on this car. We have our fuel gauge there as well. Working our way down, the CD player, the main volume for your stereo, and then your climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, you can adjust the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air distributed in. The air conditioning is off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will then take full control to maintain the temperature you've asked for. And you can hear it doing that in the background. Press auto again and you go back to your own settings. Below that, we have our front and rear fog lights just here. We can put the car in sport mode, we can take it out of sport mode. You can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. We can turn our traction control on and off. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, 2 cup holders and a 12-volt charging socket, and then the controls went through just a moment ago. And just down here, you can see auxiliary and USB inputs. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.